Improv is probably every classically trained dancer's worst nightmare. But you gotta do it. We do improv in tap and sometimes jazz, modern, lyrical. It's not just exclusive to hip hop, but hip hop is a great opportunity to explore more freedom. When you are performing improv, it's sometimes best to practice on your own in advance so you have some idea in your back pocket for when you are asked to perform. Improv happens for a number of things in hip hop. Sometimes there are dance battles, sometimes you're asked to improv when you're in class. There's many scenarios as to why you would be improving. You can improv different things. So if you have a specialty that you do, use that. Improv should be your time to demonstrate what you want to express. And it should be a time for you to be able to demonstrate your strengths. You never want to be asked to improv and then stand there frozen. Improv means you don't think, you just dance. So if you're in class or you're battling, that means you go when it is your turn and you dance. You do not stand there making people wait. That is where it's important that you practice, because then when that moment comes, you're going to be far less shy about getting out there and dancing for others. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about puppeteering. I will see you then.